Hey, what's up, everybody? Guys, what could be the biggest blizzard in New York City history is threatening to slam into town Monday and Tuesday, dumping up to 3 feet of snow on the Big Apple. As much as 30 inches and possibly more is expected to begin falling in the late afternoon Monday and run through Tuesday afternoon, according to what forecasters said. City Hall urged New Yorkers to leave work as early as possible on Monday before the blizzard intensifies. Mayor Bill de Blasio posted on his Twitter account on Sunday the following. He said, "Prepare for tomorrow's storm. If you must go to work, go in early and go home early. It will not be safe to be on the roads in the snow." Wow, this is so crazy, guys. I was just outside and there's a lot of snow. It's very, very bad outside. So this raw video was taken exclusively from the on-time quadcopter drone, just to let you know. So please be careful. Don't drive if you don't have to, and be as safe as possible. Alright, so guys, let me know what you think about this storm and how bad it's going to affect you regarding your daily duties. Remember, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook on Time the Show. Also, visit our website ontimetheshow.com, and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys later. This is On Time. If you enjoyed this video, click here to subscribe over here. Follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook on Time the Show. Make sure you click on each link. Also, visit our website ontimetheshow.com. It's right over here. If you want to watch the latest videos, click right here. And if you're watching from a mobile device, all the links are going to be on the description. See you guys in the next video. This is On Time.